Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this little candy treat pocket for a friend. And you can pull this out and either inside here slip a little bag or bar of candy or even a gift card and then slip it right back in. Okay? And so let's get started. I'm using the Heartfelt bundle from the Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog, January to June 2020. And some of that beautiful designer paper called From My Heart. And so let's go ahead and start off with that. It is cut 4 by 6, and we're going to do some scoring. All right, I'm getting out my Simply Scored scoring tool. And I'm going to put what will be the bottom, the bag bottom up at the top. On the 4-inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch. Sorry about that. I was trying to get everything situated here. Now, I'm going to turn it around on the 6-inch side at the top, 1.5 and 4 1/4. Okay, we're going to put this away. All right, so let's go ahead and burnish on these score lines. This is an easy little pocket to make. And you'll forgive me for not having candy because it's just too much of a temptation. But you get the idea. And like a little bag of Skittles, a little bag of M&Ms will fit in there. Okay, so here I've burnished the score lines, and I'm going to cut up and cut off these in rectangles here. Okay. All right. And I'm just going to kind of angle these edges on that tab that's left. And I'm also going to take a little bitty slice off of this side and the other side too. Okay. So we're going to fold that over like that and then fold up that bottom flap, and that's what's going to secure it. So let's go ahead and do that and let that be drying. I've made this little pocket many times, and there's so many different variations of it. I love to make it. It's so cute. And it's just the right size for one little something. You know what I mean? So you could use this idea for lots of things. All right. There we go with that. So now there's our pocket ready to go. Now what I did is I chose a piece of contrasting designer paper, and this one, even though it's a real red background, it's that beautiful metallic, so I wanted to use that, and it's cut at 1/2 inch by 2 3/4, and I'm just going to banner cut the ends with my paper snips, go up in the center and then meet it, just go up about 1/4 inch or so, just guesstimate it. Okay, that's going to go across the top to border that off. Make it really pretty. All right. So now I'm going to do some stamping. I took some of this designer paper that has all of these hearts and the scalloped hearts, and I punched one out with the scalloped heart punch from the bundle. And so I have that ready to go, and I'm going to stamp a lacy heart in real red in the middle of that. This is from the Heartfelt stamp set. Now in the bundle you get the stamp set and the 2 punches. Oops, I hope I don't have my head in the camera. All right, let's do this. All right, so there's a little lacy heart in the middle. And now I'm going to take one of our doilies here. And this is, they come in a pack of 40. And so you get 20 Flirty Flamingo, 20 Real Red Heart doilies. But the back is Whisper White. And I have found I'm almost using the white more than the colors, which I love because it sets off from the background. If your designer paper is Flirty Flamingo, then the white, you know, makes it pop off. And it's real pretty to... All right, so that's going to go right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and then we'll do our sentiment stamping. See how easy this is coming together? All right, so now for our first outside sentiment that says roses are red, violets are blue. This is a piece of Whisper White cut 1/2 inch by 1 3/4 of an inch. And so I have the roses are red, violets are blue. And I'm going to get some real red ink again. And I'm going to just stamp that over to the right just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that adhered to my little front. Put a little adhesive there and go like in the center of that heart. Okay. And then we're going to use one of the beautiful From My Heart Faceted Gems. And I'm going to use one of the little pink ones. And just put a mini glue dot on the back. You can use fine tip glue or liquid glue as well. Go ahead and get this off. And put that right there. Look how sparkly that is. So pretty. All right, so now I want to do the inside, and hopefully I have it. Here's my strip. Whisper White strip cut at 1/2 inch by 8 1/2 inches. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fold that in half. Okay? And then you want to stamp on this right side after you open it back up. All right, so let me get these little gems out of the way and get the sentiment, which says, being friends is better than eating candy, but let's do that too. So it goes with the roses are red and violets are blue. It's cute. All right. Let's get this up here. And I'm going to put that a little closer to the fold because this is what's going to be sticking out a little bit of the pocket. And I don't want the words to be sticking out. I want those to show when it's pulled out of the pocket. And there we go. So then I'm going to take my paper snips and just angle this edge to make it pretty. All right, and then this will go inside here. Like that. And if you want, once you get your candy or your gift card or whatever, if you want to put a brad through there, staple it, tie a ribbon around it, you can do that. I'm going to leave mine just like that until I decide what I'm going to put in there. And I have 2 little gift pockets ready for friends. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know if I can help you. Bye-bye.